Plunger lift systems are an economical choice for the modern oil and gas firm, but current maintenance practices require high labor costs, and unplanned downtime reduces the profitability. Lone Star's predictive and prescriptive analytics solution monitors and evaluates all key subsystems and associated components for plunger lift systems. Not only does the solution provide performance predictions, but it uses cause and effect logic to pinpoint the source of an issue and prescribe mitigating and preventative actions. Lone Star analysis software is platform independent and can be deployed at the site, at an aggregation point, at remote locations, or in the cloud. With Lone Star, technicians perform maintenance by exception, reducing the man-hours required. Field operators order replacement parts ahead of the predicted failure window, reducing deferments and unplanned downtime by 35 to 45%.